Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT with Gmails in 2025. So whether you want to write, reply or manage your emails faster and more professionally, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come at chatgpt.com and then log in into your account. Now, once you are on this page, you will have to type this prompt first, which is write a polite follow-up email to a client asking for feedback after delivering a project. So you need to copy the response and paste it into your Gmail. You can tweak it if needed and you can send it. So first of all, we are going to generate the response from here. It is quite simple and it works for anything like job applications, complaints, schedulings, or support replies. Now you can use ChatGPT or Gmail extension or add-ons. So in 2025, there are several Gmail add-ons that lets you bring ChatGPT into your inbox. So first of all, once you are in your Chrome, you just have to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then hover over to the extensions and click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Now, once you are in the web store, you need to look for the extension like FlowWrite, or this extension that we have is Mail, Maestro, and ChatGPT Writer for Gmail. So these tools actually let you generate or rewrite the emails directly in your Gmail interface. So you can just add them in your browser, and whenever you are using your Gmail, you can use these in order to get the features of ChatGPT in your Gmail. Now, some of the prompts that you can use here in ChatGPT are like this. Reply to this email thanking the sender and confirming at our meeting next Tuesday at 2 p.m. So you can even ask ChatGPT to make it more formal, friendly, and concise. So if I would provide you some bonus tips, so you can make this email sounds more polite but firm while addressing a missed deadline. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.